step into the 2006 BMW X3. If you are looking for a first-class ride, you have found it. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are headlights, auto delay off, steering wheel mounted controls, audio, antenna, air filtration, passenger airbag deactivation, occupant sensing deactivation, storage, door pockets, front airbags, dual, and CD controller. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.